Hi, I'm Mike Osmond, President and Partner of CUTWORX USA. Today I'd like to introduce you to our CWT Work Tools 1737 Evolution Max. The 1737 Evolution Max is an all-electric application table. The 1737 Evolution Max won the Product of the Year Award and also Innovative Technology Intertech Award at the Printing United. The 1737 Evolution Max has an all-electric glide beam, remote control features, all-electric lift, a heated roller, and also storage underneath the bottom. We also introduced an electric lift system that raises and lowers the table to the height of the employee. The Evolution Max has extra wide storage on the side, sliding side pockets to keep your utility knives. The linear cutter on the side can trim the sides of the boards, and on the end we could trim the end of the boards. We include roll holders and pocket roll holders so you can put these into the side pockets. In summary, the CWT Work Tool 1737 Evolution Max is an excellent model to choose for your print shop for now and in the future.